Well, our Foucault pendulum has stopped swinging. So Houston, do we have a problem? Has the Earth suddenly stopped rotating, sending us here in Houston, Texas at about 30 degrees latitude, hurtling towards Florida at about 900 miles per hour? Wait, which way's east? At the equator, it would be about 1,040 miles per hour because rotational physics is fun. So no, our very, very spherical Earth has not stopped rotating, as evidenced by our aliveness. So here's what's going on with our Foucault pendulum and a very trimmed down version of how these pendulums work and why they are important. Since perpetual motion isn't a thing, despite what your IG feed might tell you, every pendulum on Earth needs a little nudge to counteract mechanical friction and air resistance. This nudge, for our pendulum at least, is actually a slight electromagnetic tug on a metal collar at the top of the 61-foot, 7-inch cable itself. The electromagnet is actually a circular ring, triggered at the ends of the 7-ish second total swing, or period, technically. Since it's a ring magnet, it only tugs in the same direction the cable arrives. It does not alter the direction or inertia at all. This mechanism simply maintains the momentum of the 180-pound mass against friction and wind resistance. It's very slight, but it's there. And well, in our case, this mechanism has stopped. Because like all mechanical things, it needs maintenance from time to time, especially after literal decades of virtually non-stop operation. A well-deserved spa day after nearly 50 years of work. Many of us have lifelong memories of it swinging, so it's kind of poignant, if not actually a little bit fascinating, to see it stationary. But I assure you, it will definitely swing again. I mean, right now it's kind of like Hakeem Olajuwon just sitting at half court. Ask your parents about Hakeem Olajuwon. So why are pendulums important? In summary, because when you see the swing change direction throughout the day, evidenced by the pegs being knocked over in a circular perimeter, the pendulum is actually not changing direction. We are. The swing direction does not change. It is the Earth rotating underneath the pendulum. And we are on the Earth, so from our perspective, it looks like it's changing direction. But it isn't. Now I'm gonna knock the rust off of my high school French, which came in very useful in South Texas, by the way. Hi, Miss Lugier. You were wonderful. This experiment, invented by Jean-Bernard Léon Foucault, did I do all right? Any native French speakers want to let me know in the comments? I probably butchered it. It was used to demonstrate way before space travel that our blue sphere was in fact rotating around a wobbling axis. Sphere, ball, globe, let her rip in the comments. Check the related video, description, or pinned comment for that matter for a much more in-depth video explaining the Foucault pendulum. But with that, y'all are awesome. Take care. Almost ripped my jacket.